Alright, there's Megan. She's sick because he got her sick. How long you been sick, William?
I don't know.
Couple days?
Huh?
Were you sick yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah. You feel better now?
Huh?
You feel better now?
Yeah.
Good. What do you have with you? Monster trucks?
Huh?
Those monster trucks?
Yeah.
What monster trucks do you have? Where's Gravedigger? Is that Gravedigger?
Huh?
It's awesome. And here's Megan again. Happy as a clam.
Do you want to look at the other monster truck?
The other monster trucks?
Yeah.
Not really.
This monster truck.
What monster truck? What's that?
That's the dinosaur monster truck.
Predator.
Yeah.
Monster truck.
He died.
What?
He died. DVD.
Which one is that?
It's Sissy.
Scarlet Bandit?
Yeah. But he doesn't always
Bless
get
you.
toy.
How's that hand taste? Delicious. Delicious.
And none monster trucks.
You have more monster trucks?
Or this